Hey, my name is Attorney Walter Wolf III. We're going to be doing question 106 of the top 200 Social Security Disability Hearing questions that you are likely to hear at your Social Security Disability Hearing. Actually, this is a learning question. The way you would hear this question is, do you have any difficulty with cleaning your house? I'm going to break it up into part 2. 105 was, do you have any difficulty cleaning the inside of your house? Now we're going to be doing, do you have any difficulty cleaning the outside of your house? Pressure washing, going and cleaning out the gutters, wiping down windowsills, cleaning windows, because that's the international look of cleaning window. All right, so bottom line here is we're looking at, do you have the capacity to go ahead and do these functions? We're still going back to the physics of you doing things, right? So basically, you know, your capabilities by association. You have the capability to do something, doing this, so therefore if you could do it to somebody else's home, you could earn money doing that job. So guilty by association. So here's the bottom line. Do you have the capacity to go ahead and do outside cleaning of the outside of your house? What I mean by that is essentially, do you have the physical capacity to stand, crouch, walk, kneel, lift, push, pull, be in environmental conditions such as pulmonary irritants, sun, heat, or if you're in a cold area, cold, but we don't want to go there unless it's Maine, and we're going to be leaving there before it gets too cold. Some people are snowbirds. I'm a sunbird. Anyways, that's kind of what they're getting at with what do you have the physical capacity to do? What are the environmental restrictions when it comes to cleaning the outside of your house? Do you not live in the house? Do you live outside? Are you homeless? Other questions that could attach to that. All right. That's kind of the trajectory of how one of those would go in a hearing. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Wolf III. We're going to be going on to question 107 after this. You have an absolute wonderful day. Remember, like, subscribe, leave 5 stars. If you want to catch up with me, call or shoot me an email. And also, I go live 8 to 10 every Thursday, Eastern Standard Time. 8 to 10 Thursday, Eastern Standard Time, live on YouTube, answering questions for free. Yeehaw. I'll catch you a little bit later and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.